The new GoPro 8. Oh yeah. So sick. Boom! Cat scared. Oh, she's running. It just came out yesterday, so I'm surprised I received it so fast. I ordered it directly from the GoPro site. Oh yeah, there it is. The GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition has got the Hypersmooth 2.0, and like I said, I accidentally ordered a second one. So they gave, so obviously 2 memory cards and 2 GoPro 8. Oh my god, I really don't even know what to do. I don't know what to say. So bad. Yeah, so what does this have? This 4K at 60 frames, 1080p at 240. It's got 8 times slow-mo. The Hypersmooth 2.0, which looked amazing, which is one of the reasons I wanted it so bad. The time warp feature is pretty cool. It does 1080p live stream. It's got live burst, super photo, and HDR, raw, blah blah blah. You can talk to it. It's got a screen. It's waterproof, obviously. Ooh, it's got GPS. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, I guess I rip right here. If I can get this. Oh shit! Rip the box. There we go. Got it open. Okay, so what do we got here? This little mount. Let's slide that off. How does it come off? Oh yeah, lift that up. Nice. That's cool. It's new. The last time I had a GoPro, the Hero 3 Plus Black was the last time I bought one, and I love this camera. But we're here for this bad boy, the GoPro 8 Black Edition. So dope. Okay, so let's open the box. I did sign up for this, the GoPro Plus, unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro footage, damaged camera replacement, no questions asked, and you get like 50% off on the website with accessories and whatnot. I've already got the app on my phone. Caution, caution, blah blah blah. Is that a decal? Sweet. What else do we got in the box? We got the book. Let's open this bad boy up. Got the charge cable. This little mount. Little baby battery. Is there anything else? That is it. That's in the box. It's empty now. There's some like pretty cool add-ons that are going to be coming out for it. So excited for that. Oh yeah, this is a cool feature too. If you guys can see that. It just wants to focus in on the new TV. There we go. I think this is neat. Cool little thing. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Anyways, it doesn't want to focus, but memory card goes right there, the battery in there. Let's balls. I don't even know where I put the scissors just now. Let's cut it. Ah, my finger! I'm so bad at opening shit. Feels like I'm opening pills. Of course it was. It was upside down. There we go. So we get the screen. Let's turn it on. Okay, and honestly, I don't know what to do with this now. I'm definitely going to have to play around with it and check it out. But that is a crappy unboxing of the new GoPro. Oh, is it recording? Oh.